Hi everyone, this is Elle. I'm going to be talking about one way to fix the unequal pay situation of the U.S. women's national soccer team. According to the U.S. Soccer Federation, the revenue the women's team generates from their games is used as a basis for their pay. So what we can do is go to games or follow them on social media because these things will show fan support and also increase their revenue, which means they get paid more. When they get paid more, then that pay gap between the women's and men's teams will be closed faster, which is the team's goal. In an article written by Emily Kaplan, she mentions that brands like Lunabar and Adidas had donated money to close the pay gap. Politicians like Amy Klobuchar and Jackie Rosen have tried to spread awareness to help close the pay gap by writing a letter to the Senate Commerce Committee to discuss the pay inequality. The goal of our Instagram is to help spread awareness of this issue and work to close the pay gap. While it is challenging during the coronavirus shutdown, we are looking to our followers to help generate ideas to spread the word and get involved. We want to hear from you. Thank you.